Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another and listen, you guys already know what's going on. Y'all see the big box to my left, and we got a brand new sneaker model, a brand new sneaker silhouette to talk about today. But before we even get into all that, y'all know what we gotta do. Listen, production team, go ahead, work your magic. Listen, we'll be right back. So as you guys just saw, we started off with this big box, and then we got this box right here in the back. And I just want to say a big shouts out and thank you to Puma for sponsoring the video. That is always appreciated for that blessing. But right here today, we're talking about the brand new Puma Liquid Cell. Now I got two more Cell sneakers that I actually copped off of Puma a while ago that we'll talk about in addition to these. But first off, we gotta get into this box because this is the Cell Origin AR. So you guys are gonna see a lot of this QR code, and this shoe is linked to augmented reality. There's also an app that's with it as well. It's a lot. We're gonna get into it. First off though, this huge crazy box. Now on the top you guys see Puma Liquid Cell, the logo. If you flip this open, you get both of the shoes. You get more QR codes to download the app if you want to. I know it's on the App Store. I'm not exactly sure if it's available on Android, but Liquid Cell on the inside, and then you have both of the sneakers right here on the inside as well. Now the box itself is really dope because once you open it, it actually does pop open just like this on the inside, and it says Unexpected as Cell, a play off of Unexpected as Hell, obviously. And it says introducing Liquid Cell Origin Augmented Reality. So of course this is the first pair, which is the AR pair. I did get both of the shoes, but they also include a couple extras inside the box. Now in both shoes, they kind of gave me like a portable charging bank, which listen, those portable batteries, portable chargers, I will take them any day because they are super useful, especially for someone like me who's on the go a lot. And we also have this pop socket, this Puma pop socket. Now I actually got two of these. Now another thing that came in the box was this Puma Liquid Cell logo, and this is part of that cushioning tech that's actually inside the shoe, the Liquid Cell. And like I said, we're gonna get a little bit more into that, and these are actually extremely comfortable. I was actually pretty surprised at how comfortable this shoe actually really was once I actually tried them on. And if you do dig these and want to check them out, the link to everything is always down below. For sizing, I say go true to size. But let's get back to what this Liquid Cell cushioning system is. Now my first thing when I got this shoe, I wanted to know, was this a performance or kind of a lifestyle sneaker? And when I read about it, it seemed like it was trying to be a mixture of both. A performance sneaker that also had like some 90s style inspirations on the shoe, and I definitely can see that. It is very loud. But once again, the shape, the heel, it's not too bad. Now all over this particular colorway, this is the AR, the Origin AR, the augmented reality colorway. So it is a lot of QR codes. Now this one right here is actually one of two brand new colorways in this shoe, and they are both part of the Origin AR or Origin augmented reality colorway. So on the upper, you guys are gonna see it's what they call a semi-knitted breathable upper, which kind of reminds me of a mesh. And then you have like this synthetic overlay with the Puma logoing, all these QR codes. It's very loud. It's a lot going on, and it almost has like a digi camo effect to it, even though it's not digi camo, but it is this QR code all over the front. It does have like a soft foam backing on the inside, once again adding to some of that comfort. It has like an extended or exaggerated tongue, so it comes up a little higher than normal on the inside, but once again that's padded, so it's still pretty cozy. This isn't like a one-piece upper sneaker. Like there is actually a separated tongue on this, so it's not like a single booty connected through, so it does have that separation if you didn't like those booty type fitted sneakers. Now like I mentioned before, the materials on this are that mesh on most of the upper and the synthetic, but you do have what it seems like a pretty decent leather down here with the Puma logo, as well as up here on some of the eyelets, and then you have a TPU plate back here on the back eyelets with three, angles of where you can actually lace them up if you find that you like one better than the other. Now the main thing about this shoe is this Liquid Cell cushioning. Now this is actually the same cushioning that is in something like this right here. I just pulled these out. These are my Adder era Cell Venoms. Now the thing about these versus these new Cell pairs is that these Cell, these hexagon cells and these were huge. They're really, really, really big. Now on the new ones, the whole cell platform, it's a little bit more, I don't know, plushy kind of feeling. Like this is like a super hard cell capsule back here versus this, which is definitely more plushy. It just feels more comfortable and actually is way more comfortable when you're wearing them. Now this liquid cell cushioning actually runs from the midfoot back to the heel, and the funny thing is when I first saw it, I thought all the cushioning would be in the back and the heel and there wouldn't be too much of anything up front, but it's actually that soft plus foam up here in the front. So it actually still is very comfortable from the back to the front, giving you a nice comfy ride, cozy ride in a sneaker. And once again, this is a performance kind of training sneaker, so I would think that's something that you want. You don't want something crazy hard on your feet while you're trying to work out or do your thing, wherever the case may be. Now since this is the first pair and this is the AR augmented reality pair, there's actually an app that you guys can download if you just want to check out the shoe for yourself in AR. Once again, the link will be down below. I actually have some footage up here right now playing of what I kind of captured on my iPhone messing around with. You can actually see the shoe or place the shoe anywhere in your room if you want to. There's actually also a filter feature where you can scan your actual liquid cell and it puts fire all around it, and I thought it would be kind of just like, oh, it's just gonna stay in one spot, but I moved it around with the AR, the fire moves around. It's a cool little additive little app to go with them. There's actually also a game on the app, an augmented reality game. All you need is some space and a camera. You can turn wherever you're at into its own, you know, game AR studio. And I have some footage once again of me kind of right after I got done shooting all the B-roll, just in the studio messing around with the app. Now for right now with that filter feature, there's only one filter on the app and that's the fire, but it seems like there's two more that will be coming pretty soon in the next 2 months. Now I don't know, they didn't tell me what those were. I just saw them on the app and was wondering what exactly those were. So listen, man, that is it, bro. That was the Puma Liquid Cell Origin AR. I was actually pleasantly surprised at how comfy this shoe was. So if you're looking for a new training type sneaker, new performance type sneaker, or maybe just like the styling, the way it looks, listen, the links will be down below. And once again, shouts out to Puma for sponsoring this video. But listen, man, that is it. Much love to all the fan followers and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, blah, of course. I mean, I got them right here. So Bullet RC. Actually, hold on, let's redo that, because I got the Venoms right here and I got these joints right here. So hold on, Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Liquid Cell Origin AR. Thank you to Puma once again, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.